Hello friends and welcome back to Mystical Ventures, and today's vlog is about how I celebrated Raksha Bandhan and how I made gulab jamun. So I purchased this relish that is a local Goan product. So yeah, I took 2 full cup of sugar and 1.5 cup of water, and then I added in 2 cardamom and a very lot amount of kesar, that is saffron. And here then I took the gulab jamun premix, and I was adding in little by little. I was adding milk in it, and I was kneading the dough. And there's no issues even if your dough gets like this, very sticky. So then here I was checking my chashni, that is a sugar syrup. So at this consistency, just sticky you need it. You don't need to make it very thick. So it was ready, and I switched off the flame, and that's it. So my chashni is ready. So here I kept it for 10 minutes, and then it was ready. See, it was sticky when I kept it, but then it got soaked up, and it was the exact perfect dough which I needed. Very soft and fluffy. So yeah, I was kneading it again, and then I applied some clarified butter, that is ghee, to my hands. On my palm I added, and then I started making small round balls of all the dough. And finally here it is the frying time of the small dough balls that I have done. So you have to fry it low to medium flame, not on high flame. And once it turns like this brown color, you have to dip the gulab jamun in the chashni, that is in the sugar syrup, like this. So this was in the evening at around 7 o'clock. So it was soaked up for nearly 4 to 5 hours, and then I was getting it garnished. So here I was adding some gold work on that. Actually silver would have looked better, but I was thinking gold will look more much rich. So I added some and then I added some generous amount of saffron, that is kesar strand. And then I added some pumpkin seeds because I'm allergic to all other nuts, like you can say cashew nuts, almonds, etc. I'm allergic to that. So then I added some rose petals. And since my Didi will be coming at my place to celebrate Raksha Bandhan, so I was setting up the thali. And yes, I'm a Roman Catholic, but I respect all the religion. So I added in the roli, chawal, and then this is a candle which I had. Finally here I placed the gulab jamuns that I made for the occasion of Raksha Bandhan. So my thali is ready. And now here this is a very special Rakhi which is very close to my heart, which I'll be briefing about it to you all later. So my thali is ready. So I lit the candle because Kiran Didi to abhi kisi bhi time pe she'll be home. And I told her that personally, okay, I'll dress the thali and I'll keep it ready. I'll set up because Didi काम पे जाती है, and then once she comes home she is very tired. So I said fine, I'll do that for you. भाई का फर्ज तो अदा कर सकता हूँ ना. Hello, happy Raksha Bandhan. अच्छा, दिस इज माय सिस्टर सीएन. उसका रक्षाबंधन है, उसने ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर करके शी हैज सेंड इट दिस टू मी. तो ये पहले सीएन दीदी का, फिर किरण दीदी का रखे बांधेंगे. सीएन आप सीएन दीदी and she will come from US. She will tie. हाँ, या फिर हम उधर जाएंगे. हाँ. और सेकंड सेम टू सेम लेके आई है. हाँ तो क्या करूँ? You like silver things ना? हाँ मुझे I prefer wearing silver. I don't like gold. पसंद नहीं है. तो ये किरण दीदी वाला. कहीं भी डाल दे, प्रॉब्लम. ये हमारा यूएस का राखी और इंडिया का राखी. हाँ, दोनों मेड इन इंडिया ही है. बोथ आर लुकिंग क्यूट. दोनों सेम क्यूट. तो हम भी अरे बाप रे. खोल तो. लवली. तू बड़ी है. रक्षाबंधन ब्रो बोला तो भी खाना ही पड़ेगा।
हाँ, ये हमारी
खाना ही पड़ेगा।
अश्विता है। सो पेट भर गया 2 गुलाब जामुन खा के।
दीदी सुनीता दीदी को
चलो चलो जाएंगे, चलो
चलो चलो
या
चलो भागते हैं अभी।
चलो चलो।
A few moments later.
Finally we reach at Sunita Didi's place. Hello. Hello.
कम।
आ गया।
मैं भाग देती हूँ।
हाँ। And this is Surendra Jiju who was performing some rituals of the puja. And ये है मेरा हाथ गणपति बप्पा का आशीर्वाद लेते। And these are all the रक्षाबंधन राखीज that was kept. एक मिनट, ये सोहेल क्या कर रहा है? By the way, this is सोहेल जो हमारा फ्यूचर फुटबॉल प्लेयर है जो FC गोवा में खेलेगा। And starting with the रक्षाबंधन ceremony, सुरेंद्र जीजू एंड हिज सिस्टर, उसकी दीदी, दोनों का रक्षाबंधन का विधि शुरू हो चुका था। So they were since they are the elder in the house, they start with this ritual first, and then goes on with all the other age category. And finally, it was my turn to get a Rakhi tied on me by my sweet Sunita Didi. Since I was sweating and I was feeling hot, Surendra Jiju switched on the cooler which was at the side, but unfortunately the lamp was going off. And यहाँ पे मेरा कहानी घर घर की वाला मोमेंट हो गया। Now this part made me laugh because Sunita Didi knows that I don't eat dry fruits, and she made dry fruit laddu specially for that day, and she also very cunningly gave me a tiny piece, and I also very sweetly had it. And here the bacha party of the house were continuing with the Rakhi tying ceremony. That is, Surina was tying Rakhi on Saishwar, and then this is Sohail, अपना future FC Goa football player. देख कैसे हंस रहे हैं पूरा लड्डू ठूस के। Now this is one of my favorite dish of the day because every year, I repeat every year, Sunita Didi makes this lovely sevaiya and I just relish on it. मतलब एक क्या मैं 10 भी खा लूँ because मतलब दीदी ना उस दिन मतलब अपने दिल से और अपना थोड़ा प्यार मिलाती है उसमें, एंड भाई बहन का बॉन्ड ही वैसा होता है यार। सो दिस इज हाउ आई सेलिब्रेटेड माई रक्षाबंधन विथ माई राखी सिस्टर्स. So if you'll appreciate this vlog, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.